totoo na merong mga maging coordinate. At yun ay nanggaling sa DPWH noong Agosto. As to yung motibo doon, hindi ko masasagot yun.
Pero so doesn't that skew yung data natin
It does.
for the transparency portal?
It does. It does. But hindi naman skew. It makes it inaccurate. No? But kaya nga ngayon, we have to do ongoing validation, no, of all these projects. But unfortunately, sa dami ng mga 30,000 plus ang ongoing ng DPWH. So kailangan yan, i-revalida lahat ng mga project na yun. Kasama na rin yung tamang coordinates. Pero hopefully, with yung interventions natin, like yung satellite images, magagawa na natin. Kasi the image will not die. Di ba? Kung mali yung coordinate, mali din yung pipicturean ng satellite. Di ba? Kung tama, tama. So, kailangan nga talaga i-revalidate na. Kaya, kasama yan actually sa mga meetings namin with the civil society groups, with Mayors for Good Governance, with CBCP, to validate. Diba? That's where they will help us with. And then, hopefully, we can validate the coordinates and the correct locations, and then we can monitor properly.